During the Russian Civil War, the country had got devastated. Many of the schools were destroyed, and there were no teaching aids for children. And some innovative teachers found a very creative way of teaching multiplication tables to children. All they required were their 10 little fingers, the fingers of just both the hands. And in this program, we're going to see how can you multiply from 6 to 10 using just the fingers of your two hands. Now, I'm going to number all my fingers. The little finger is numbered 6. This is my ring finger, which is number 7. This is my middle finger, number 8. The index finger, 9. And the thumb is number 10. And similarly, I name all the fingers of my right hand. And you can now see my left hand and the right hand fingers all numbered. Now there is one rule in this multiplication. When I join two fingers, the fingers which are joined and which are towards me are all 10. And all these free fingers are 1 each. Now let's see how do you multiply 6 into 6. So we bring both the small index fingers together. 6 into 6. Now these two fingers are joined, so they are 10 each, so this is 20. And I have 4 fingers free, which are on the left hand, 4 free fingers on the right hand. So 4 into 4 is 16. 16 plus 20 is 36. So 6 into 6 is 36. Now let's see how much is 6 into 7. Now these two fingers which are joined are 10, and this finger which is towards me is also 10. So we have 3 fingers which are 10 each, they are 30. Here there are 4, here there are 3. 4 into 3 is 12. So 30 plus 12 is 42, which is 6 into 7. Now let's see 6 into 8. Now the fingers which are 10 these are both 10, 20, and these are also 10. So I have 4 fingers which are 10. So this is 40, and 4 into 2 is 8. So 40 plus 8 is 48. So 6 into 8 is 48. 6 into 9. Now these are 20 and 3 over here. So total tens are 50. And 4 into 1 is 4. So we have 50 plus 4 is 54. So 6 into 9 is 54. And 6 into 10, well, you can see 1, 2, and 4 over here. So this is 60. 4 into 0 is 0. So this is 6 into 10 is 60. Now let's see what is 7 into 7. Now this is 20, and these two fingers are also 20. So my tens are 4, this is 40, and 3 and 3. 3 into 3 is 9, so 40 plus 9 is 49. So 7 into 7 is 49. 7 into 8, you can see these are 50, the tens. 3 into 2 is 6, 50 plus 6 is 56. 7 into 9, this is 20 plus 4 is 40 is 60. 3 into 1 is 3, so 60 plus 3 is 63. 7 into 9 is 63. 7 into 10. And you can just see that these are 20, and there are 5 more. So there are a total 70. 7 tens, so 70. 7 into 10 is 70 because there are 3 over here, but no other one to multiply, 0 to multiply. Now let's see 8 into 8, and which is very interesting because you can see these are 2 tens and these are also tens. So they are 60. 2 into 2 is 4. 60 plus 4 is 64. 8 into 8 is 64. Now let's see 8 into 9. Again, very interesting. This is how many free fingers? 5 over here and 2 over here. That's 770. 2 into 1 is 2. 70 plus 2 is 72. And finally, you have 9 into 9. Now you can just see these are 80. 60 plus 20 is 80. 1 into 1 is 1. 80 plus 1 is 81. Finally, 10 into 10. And you can see there are 8 and 2, 10 tens, and which is 100. So here is a wonderful way of learning to multiply from 6 to 10. You don't need paper, you don't need pencil. Just with your 10 little fingers, you can do this very beautiful multiplication.